My name is Hassan Ibrahim Hussein. I come from the Somaliland. And I have too much the problem. I cannot eat. I cannot talk. I cannot drink in the water. And so much troubles I have, in the truth. Because the disease is too much. It's coming up after the 1 minute after minute, Before I come to this hospital, I meet so many in other doctors, other hospitals, within the 3 months before this hospital. So I cannot get, the enough for the, explanation for my disease in the truth. So after that, I decided myself to come to India.
When he came to me, he was having a stage 3 cancer of his throat, specifically the part we call as supraglottic larynx, which is an area inside our throat just above our voice box. His tumor was quite extensive and advanced, and it was stage 3. And he was unable to eat, he was unable to speak, he was losing his weight because of his inability to eat properly, and he was quite hopeless.
So he saw it, and he treated me in the cancer area, and he took me, in radiation and chemotherapy.
We treated him with a very advanced technique of radiation, which we call as helical tomotherapy. So we have this Radixact X9 second generation tomotherapy machine, with which I treated him, and we treated him with excellent precision, extremely high dose of radiation given to the tumor, and at the same time I took care of the vital internal organs so that they do not get damaged by the high dose of radiation. At the same time, we gave him a small dose of chemotherapy every week to enhance the effect of radiation, which we call as radiosensitizing effect of chemotherapy.
After 3 months, I will be back. I back to in Somaliland, my country. And then I come back to here. I meet the doctor. He told me I'm very well.
We are very happy to see that his tumor is completely vanished. There is no tumor in his body, and we call that it's a complete cure.
I thank to all of the hospitals and the staff and nurses and my doctors, and I say I thank you very much.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.